Okay, I accidentally stepped on the head of my field piece leak detector and went to the supply house, and they recommended this one. They said that it is actually more sensitive than the field piece. I just found a leak right here. With it sounded off right in there. It's quickly paying for itself. All right. I had done a leak search with my field piece on this coil before, and I couldn't find a leak. This thing sounded off on that little tiny leak right here. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Stop the bleeding. You don't want to be having to pump Freon into a unit every year, or very often. It can get expensive.